An important part of the first tech challenge is standing out and differentiating you and your team from the rest of the competition. While the construction of the robot and team notebook is definitely the best way for a team to achieve that, another core piece of these yearly challenges is a team scoring element. These have been used for 2 consecutive years and are likely to be used in the future. Referencing this year's manual, you can see that the first organization has given attention to the team scoring element, giving them the name of capstones for this year's challenge, and outlining the restrictions and expectations of their design. Because this is something that is meant to be used with your robot, you want it to accomplish 2 things. First, it needs to be durable, since we all know that robots can get a little rough with things that they handle or drive on. And second, they need to look good, or at the very least, decent. Sure, you could throw together some wood glue and scraps in the wood shop and have a functional scoring element, but at the end, that won't get you to state. Instead, you should look to creating your own team scoring element with 3D design software, and print it with one of the many printers available to you. This not only allows you to get some good content for your notebook, but also ensures that you can recreate it easily. If you have any experience designing with CAD, you should be able to make a rudimentary scoring element quite easily and quickly. However, if you don't, this is a great way to get into it, and most of the process is intuitive. Ideally, this might get you or one of your team members interested in 3D design and would help you in your robotics career and future endeavors. As a quick note, I will point you towards the video of a quick capstone that I made, which has been playing for a bit. I played around with some basic texts and shapes and made a really simple cube design. Keep in mind that simple is good when it comes to objects handled by or driven on by your robots. So, some tips for you future designers. Never have your logos or numbers or whatever it is extruded outside the walls of your element. It looks weird and is really easy to break, and is generally not a good idea, so just don't. Additionally, when you print your designs that may or may not be a solid cube, keep the infill around 15%. It will be strong enough for your needs and will save on filament.